everyone. Today I have this really nice dual powered video doorbell. It has the ability to pick up any kind of human detection on your porch if there's a package drop off, and you can set it up using an app. So let's get it opened up and see how it works.
This doorbell camera has a sleek and modern look. It's weatherproof and can withstand rain, dust, and wind. It can be installed using the internal rechargeable battery, or it can be hardwired into your existing doorbell. There's a 165-degree viewing angle, which provides a head-to-toe view of who is at your door. This doorbell camera has PIR human detection, which ignores wildlife to help prevent false alerts and minimizes battery consumption. Once you've downloaded the app, when someone rings your doorbell, the app notifies you, which allows you to use two-way communication between you and your guests. The app also notifies you whenever a person comes to your door or if a package is dropped off, even if the doorbell is not rung. The app allows you to modify the area of detection so that way you're able to monitor the areas that are important to you. For example, if you're not concerned about people walking down your sidewalk, you're able to exclude that area. Through the PIR software built into the app, you're able to set the sensitivity of detection for pedestrians in the area that you are monitoring. There's also a fun feature that allows you to modify the chime of the doorbell. The app allows you to determine how long the footage is kept and re-recorded over. Some of the options are 1 day, 30 days, 90 days, or auto whenever the device is full. You can plug the base unit into an outlet in a central location of the house, so that way you're able to hear the chime better. The light on the doorbell, which is activated by motion, can be set to on or off. If you're looking for an easy way to monitor the people coming to your door, you should check out this product.